Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. For those who are new here, my name is Ayo. I made this delicious lunch for my daughter after nursery today, and this was how she cleaned her plate. She said, "Well done, mommy." And what did I use for the recipe? I used Tesco pasta, penne, and tomato paste, and some chicken breast. In a hot boiling water, I poured some pasta and I allowed it to cook on a low heat to make sure it's as soft as possible. My little one is a picky eater and she doesn't like to chew. I went in with my Maggi, some paprika powder to taste and give it some color. She doesn't like pepper at all. And a pinch of black pepper. Again, she doesn't like to eat all of these things. And then I incorporated my chicken breast so that it can thoroughly cook, and I added a little bit of water. Once it was all cooked together, I went ahead to add my tomato paste again, just to give it some taste and all the benefit it has or that it's needed. And then I added some vegetable oil as well. I allowed it to cook again on a very low heat and the food was ready to serve. Guys, guess what? When I was recording this video after the food was cooked, my daughter said, "Mommy, why are you recording my food? Why are you recording my food?" In her mind, I was like, my mom doesn't know I'm so hungry, but she needs to shoot this recipe for our very good friends. And look at this pasta, so good, so creamy looking. And if you love these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up, let me know what recipe you'd like me to share with you, and thanks till we'll see next time.